Has the murder hornet really been eradicated?
There is no stopping Little Ian. We'll soon be here.
How dare you, insect? How dare you interrupt my ascendance?
Recently, the USDA's Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service announced that they have eradicated the northern giant hornet, more commonly known as the murder hornet. The northern giant hornet was first spotted in 2019 near Blaine, Washington. It originates from India, China, Japan, Russia. The northern giant hornet, Vespa mandarinia, is the largest hornet on the planet and has been known to decimate an entire honeybee colony in a couple hours. They probably hitched a ride on shipping containers like every other invasive species that we have. This obviously poses a threat to apiaries that produce honey and rent their bees to farmers to pollinate crops. Unfortunately, uneducated journalists and activists have been freaking out over colony collapse disease, varroa mites, and pesticides for a while. The truth is, most of the honeybee issues are our fault, but not through normal pesticide use. The problem has been through us farming the bees and feeding them high fructose corn syrup when we took their honey, transferring them across the country. I love honey. I put that stuff on everything. But the death of honeybees in America will not trigger an apocalypse. They are European honeybees. They are no more American born and raised as the murder hornet is. We just find the European honeybees more useful than the murder hornet. The northern giant hornet was first found in Canada, then in the northwest corner of Washington state. The murder hornet was not found in Tennessee. Do I need to say that again? It is unlikely to be found in Tennessee at this time. This whole panic around this was blown way out of proportion, and that makes this claim of eradication kind of fall flat. How do they really know? Well, they don't. But if you read this article, it's actually trying to give credit for eliminating the northern giant hornet to the Biden administration. That makes me a little suspicious about this whole announcement. So do with that what you will. You want to bugs me? Governments and stinging insects. But I love to kill them. The insects.
Killing me, Smalls!
They're dead, alright? Can I go now?
I stand upon my desk to remind myself that we must constantly look at things in a different way.
Look at me. Where are they?